My God, from above, dear Lord, that I love. You fill my heart, you fill my dreams. You are the life in quiet